So first you are making the make the circle and then do this line, and then you are in down one oval and then this line and this line. So now we can create here one small circle. Usually I make more circle. Look, all the circle. Make one more circle and here more circle and do this like this. Okay. And you can erase this line. After that you can erase this line. Okay. Take time. Aram se. Okay. We are doing color. So we make outline first and then start the color. Before outline we are just erasing the other line. Like this. And start the color with a golden yellow. First this side is golden yellow and this other side is yellow ochre. So this is yellow ochre color. You can use this color and you can use this color. This is chrome yellow. This is golden yellow. Yellow ochre. Okay.
Can we also use lemon yellow?
Lemon also can use.
No, can we only use golden yellow?
No, you need some shading. So try to make the two color. Okay, first do this clips.
Okay, I'll take my.
Take your time. So we are making some finished tone like this. I make some colors, more little brown for the make it more glossy. Fine. Now it's complete. Okay. So we are using the three color: yellow ochre, lemon yellow, and brown. These three color I'm using for this drawing, and black for the border. Okay.